Hi, my name is Adnan Karim and I'm a field engineer at Canonical. And today I want to show you how you can create an edge Kubernetes cluster for your machine learning applications with MicroK8s. MicroK8s is a lightweight production-grade conformant Kubernetes. MicroK8 defaults to the most widely used Kubernetes options, so it just works with no configuration necessary. With a quick MicroK8 setup, developers can focus on their projects and have a fully working, flexible environment for containers in a matter of minutes. Let's start by deploying 3 MicroK8s machines. I want to set up a highly available MicroK8s cluster, but you can use only one machine for your testing purposes. Today, I will be using Juju Operator Manager with an orange box, which is a MAS-based edge cloud used for demo purposes. I've already added my orange box MAS credentials to Juju, and now I need to bootstrap my Juju controller. Okay, my Juju controller has finished bootstrapping. Now let's check the bundle. This bundle will deploy the Ubuntu charm to 3 machines. All of the machines will have at least 4 cores, 16 gigs of RAM, and 40 gigabytes of storage. Now let's deploy the bundle. Let's get a watch going and wait till our deployment succeeds. Okay, our bundle has finished deploying. Now we need to open port 80 for our application and also expose the application. Then we can begin a MicroK8s installation on all 3 machines. Our installation succeeded. In order to enable HA, we will need to generate 2 join tokens and run the join command on the other MicroK8s machines. It may take a few minutes to finish successfully. So let's go ahead and do that. Run it again to generate another join token. We can see that our other nodes have joined the cluster. Now let's enable DNS and storage add-ons. You can also see from the above status command that there are many additional add-ons that can be enabled. MicroK8s uses a namespaced kubectl command to prevent conflicts with any existing installs of kubectl. If you don't have an existing install, it is easier to add an alias. I will be doing this using snap. Our MicroK8s configuration is now complete, and we can go ahead and create a simple deployment. We will expose port 80 and use a container image we already created for this demo. Now let's apply this manifest. Let's check the status of our pods. As you can see, pods are being scheduled. And finally, we need to check how our face recognition application is working. A camera is attached to the orange box running the edge cluster that is taking a live feed and recognizes a face using a machine learning model. The model was built on PyTorch using convolutional neural networks with ReLU activation function. It loads the weight from an already trained model and is able to recognize the video feed of my face as a facial object. And this is how fast you can have a multi-node MicroK8s cluster running your own application at the edge. Thanks.